I'm going to take a look at some more old photographs today. This is not one that I've ever seen in person. These photographs go back to the days of DT. I remember reading a thread on there that had these photographs and talked about these fans. I want to say it was in a hotel in somewhere in Florida, but I can't remember for certain. I wish I knew where it is, and I'm hoping that maybe somebody who watches this video will remember these photographs and remember where this is, because I would love to go there someday. This is just unbelievable. I've never seen an install with so many fans at once, and again, these photographs are very low resolution like the last time. They're old pictures. These were probably taken 15-20 years ago, so they're just small. They're very low resolution. But look at this in just this photograph: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 fans, and they're pretty close together too. Looks like most of them have some kind of interesting, like some Tiffany bowl light on them. And these have nice 5 lights, nice brass and cane fans. I'm not sure where this, what kind of room this is. It's a little odd. This is the same room. I mean, look at how many there is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. This is crazy. Oh, you know what this is? This is the lobby. This is the lobby of this hotel. This picture's a little bit clearer. Look at this. There's just... oh my gosh. Can you imagine what a sight this must be in the flesh? This is crazy. This row is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 deep. And this is the other side. This is just to the left of where that other picture was taken. This is also in the lobby. Look at how many fans there is. And they all have this really exotic Tiffany kind of shade on here. And they're close together too. They're not far apart at all. The whole room is so nice too. Got all the wood paneling everywhere and really nice. I don't know if this is still there or not. I would think if somebody put that many fans in, they'd keep them for a very long time, but you never know. Everything's getting uglified real quick. Stuff like this just doesn't exist much anymore. This is the clearest photograph I have. This is facing away from where the previous one was. You can see the reflection in the window of all the other ones, the lights on them. And these are nice fans. They got five light kits, so you can see one of the other ones up there. It's a nice colorful Tiffany shade on it. These are nice brass and cane fans with 5 lights. I mean, and they're just everywhere. Look at this. That's crazy. I'd never seen anything quite like this before. There's only one other place I've seen in my entire life set up like this. It was at an amusement park. I'm trying to think what it was called now. Might have been called Lake Quasi. Maybe. I'm not certain. Could have been. There was another one. It was Twin something. Oh, I can't remember what it was now. Haven't been there in years. Probably well over a decade now. Twin something. Jeez. I gotta find out what it was. Anyways, one of those 2 places I'm thinking of that we used to go to had a gift room where they had like food and stuff that you could buy, and they had Hampton Bay fans. I forget what the model is. It kind of looks like the San Marino, but it's white and brass. I've seen the box for it. I just forget what the model number is. And the room had, it wasn't quite as many as this, but it was an excessive amount of them in there. And I thought that was really cool. It was the only time I saw something kind of like this in person. I gotta try and see if I can find a photograph of that place. I gotta figure out what it was called. I just don't remember. Anyways, so I think that's all the photographs I have for this place. Yeah, that's it. So, if anybody knows where this place is, or if this is still in existence, let me know, because I would really be interested in going here. This would be a sight to see in person.